In recent discussions, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis has made statements that have sparked significant debate regarding the rights of protesters and the use of force during demonstrations. His comments have raised questions about the balance between public safety and the right to protest. Let's recall that Governor DeSantis signed the Combating Public Disorder Act into law in April 2021. This legislation was introduced in response to the civil unrest following the death of George Floyd. The law includes provisions that increase penalties for crimes committed during a riot, make it a felony to block roadways during protests, and grant civil immunity to drivers who unintentionally injure or kill protesters while fleeing from a mob. In a recent interview, Governor DeSantis extended the state's Stand Your Ground laws to include situations where drivers feel threatened by protesters. He stated that if individuals feel their safety is at risk due to a protesting mob, they have the right to flee, even if it means hitting someone in the process. He emphasized that drivers should not be sitting ducks, and that the responsibility lies with those obstructing the road. The Combating Public Disorder Act has faced legal challenges from civil rights organizations. Critics argue that the law could discourage peaceful protests and disproportionately affect minority communities. A federal judge initially blocked parts of the law, citing concerns over its vagueness and potential to infringe upon First Amendment rights. However, a federal appellate court temporarily allowed enforcement of the law, sending the dispute back to the lower court for further review. Governor DeSantis's recent comments have ignited debates across the nation. Supporters argue that the law protects citizens from violent mobs and ensures public safety. Opponents contend that it encourages reckless behavior and endangers peaceful demonstrators. The controversy highlights the ongoing struggle to balance the right to protest with the need for public order. As legal proceedings continue, the discussions surrounding the Combating Public Disorder Act and Governor DeSantis' statements remain a focal point in the national conversation about civil liberties and public safety. The outcome of these debates will likely have significant implications for the future of protest laws in the United States. Thanks for watching, and let's know what you think in the comment section.